And then finally one more great institute, this time a global one, Wharton. मतलब मन नहीं भरा IIT से, IIM से, मतलब अब क्या पड़ी थी.
तो sometimes we would try कि अच्छा ये होता है कि नहीं, but मतलब that was very early obviously, but हाँ मतलब था दिमाग में कुछ करना है.
So were there any backup plans just in case?
I used to spend a lot of time in the art room trying to make उस समय we used to call posters or charts. I think that was our terminology. Charts बनाते थे. तो
how many attempts to get to Kharagpur, IIT Kharagpur?
Mine was first attempt.
Welcome to the Wise Bard Company, and in this episode of Talkfest, we have Arya Mondal. He was always one of those seniors at school who we admired from a distance, but maybe we didn't have anything common to talk about. He was too busy, too intense with his studies. But finally, I got hold of him. Unfortunately, it's online because he stays Sasamandar Par, and with degrees from IIT Kharagpur, IIM Kolkata, and Wharton. What do you expect? He's a busy man, globe-trotting. But he did find some time out and spoke to me. And during the conversation, while the conversation was on, I somehow regretted the fact that we did not speak earlier. We did not speak more in school. I could have learned so much from him. But देर आए दुरुस्त आए. Thanks a lot, sir.
Oh, this was simple for me. This was very simple for me to get you for this conversation.
Yeah, nice. I see you have a whole setup with a whole microphone and all.
Everything. I just needed people.
Good.
So I think we spoke for the first time day for yesterday, and in a long time.
In a long time, हाँ. इससे पहले तो like school में we would have talked for a little bit, like for a long time. We spoke after a long time.
And in school it would have been one-sided. Being a senior, just telling me a few things to do, and that's it.
You were just weren't like when we were in class 8th or 9th, you were in 6th,
yes.
Right? Or
you were in 8th, I was in 6th.
6th, yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm. So, I mean, 8th was okay. We had problems with class 7th. 8th was fine. We didn't have a problem with you guys.
Yeah, नहीं उन दिनों में, yeah, I remember. I don't know why. मतलब कुछ तो silly बातों पे लोग they had issues.
I mean, the things that used to happen back then. They are terrorizing for the kids today. They hear what we went through. They are like, ये कैसे हो गया? How? All right. I went through your profile. Was it planned? IIT, IIM, Wharton.
Planned? Not really. I mean, to a certain. I mean, you cannot plan everything. But when I was in OG, generally, हमारे batch में people used to vie for NDA. Like काफी लोगों का होता था कि NDA करेंगे. And मेरा उस समय था कि हाँ engineering करेंगे. And engineering में like IIT is the place. तो दिमाग में था, but you can't plan these things.
When this IIT thing came in mind?
My parents lived in Kharagpur.
Okay.
So my father was in the railways, so he got transferred to different places, and then at one point in time we were in Kharagpur, and the school I studied in was in the IIT campus. So I used to cross the gate of IIT every day to go to school.
Okay.
तो वो था, and then plus वैसा था कि dad is an engineer, and बचपन से वैसा था कि घर पे कि IIT is the mecca अगर engineering करना है तो that's how it was somewhere in the mind. इनफैक्ट क्लास 9th-10th में जब हम लोग पढ़ते थे तो वी डिड सम ऑफ द साइंस स्टफ एंड ऑल. तो उस समय जस्ट आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी आई एक्चुअली गॉट उस समय देयर यूज्ड टू बी दोस मैगजीन्स कॉल्ड JSR, आई डोंट रिमेंबर, JSD, JSR, तो हम खरीदा करते थे, जूनियर साइंस डाइजेस्ट एंड रिफ्रेशर एंड ऑल दोस. तो उसमें देयर यूज्ड टू बी सम क्वेश्चंस की IIT के क्वेश्चंस एंड ऑल. तो समटाइम्स वी वुड ट्राई कि अच्छा ये होता है कि नहीं, बट मतलब दैट वाज वेरी अर्ली ऑब्वियसली, बट हाँ मतलब था दिमाग में कुछ करना है.
With most people, what happens that if they have a bent of mind that is towards science and they want to be engineers, the creativity part takes a backseat. In your case, as juniors, we remember you as an artist making banner for your house during sports.
Yeah.
So how
actually,
do you?
Yeah. No, go ahead, finish.
How do you kind of explain that? Because even now, when I got hold of you, I saw you playing a mouth organ, playing guitar, and not the best of it, but yes, playing guitar. Yeah. How do you explain that?
Explain तो पता नहीं, but generally I think see, to a certain extent, when we were all in Oak Grove, I mean, we were lucky ki we had so many activities to pursue, and all you needed to do was just be there and say ki yes, I want to do it. So artist ka jahan tak hai, like when we were in junior school and all, we had art teachers, and I used to paint and draw. Oil paintings and watercolors and everything. Kyunki us samay we had, if you remember again, the interesting thing is ki we used to have Founders Day, which was in June, right? 1st June, and our exams used to end in April. The one full month we used to get to do whatever we wanted and express and vasa. So I used to spend a lot of time in the art room trying to make, us samay we used to call posters or charts. I think that's was our terminology. Charts banate the. So yeah, I used to spend a lot of time there art mein, and I used to enjoy that process. And thankfully, जो teachers भी हमारे थे उस समय, art के teacher and all, they appreciated and encouraged. तो उससे भी होता है. तो उससे art हो गया, and like every year, like I used to engage myself in art. तो वो तो हो गया art का. And then I remember जब हम class 3 में थे, Founders Day में.
Class 3 would be 1983,
84, 85.
Okay.
तो 85 के उस समय जो Founders Day हुआ था, there was a senior. We used to have a program called orchestra.
Yes.
जहाँ पे instruments बजाते थे लोग. Yes. And I think that was a tradition. Every साल, मतलब every year. हाँ. तो जब हम class 3 या 4th में थे उस समय, there was a guy called, I hope I remember the name right. His name was Sensua or something.
HK Sensua.
Yeah. And he played the guitar in the Founders Day, और उसने बजाया था छू कर मेरे मन को. And I was totally mesmerized कि अरे ये भी मतलब इतना अच्छा. तो anyway, तो वो तो फिर that was the first episode. उसके बाद class 5th में I think Miss Sharma ने, हमारा Miss Sharma used to be our music teacher. Yes. तो उसने एक दिन बच्चों को बुलाया और बोला कि ये सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है, मतलब म्यूजिक रूम. मुझे पता भी नहीं था म्यूजिक रूम लाइक
होता है.
हेड मिस्ट्रेस के रूम के बाजू में देयर वाज म्यूजिक रूम. तो उसमें लाइक देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, सितार, गिटार, बैंजो.
Banjo.
There were a lot of
bongo and banjo, two things.
Yeah. So and that was my first introduction कि अरे वाह इतना इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं. तो मिस शर्मा ने बुला के बोला कि ओके हु वांट्स टू प्ले. तो मैंने हाथ उठा दिया. आई वाज देयर. और वहां अंदर गया तो लोगों ने पूछा कि क्या बजाना चाहते हो. तो कुछ लोग, उस समय तो पता था नहीं, बट लाइक सम पीपल सेड कि मुझे बैंजो बजाना है, कुछ ने बोला सितार बजाना है. मैंने गिटार, बट गिटार वाज उस समय वो द हवाईयन गिटार व्हिच वाज लाइक यू प्लेस ऑन योर लैप एंड यू टेक दिस एंड लाइक प्ले दैट. और उस समय मतलब वैसे तो नहीं था कि हमें कुछ सिखाया जाता था, मतलब क्लासिकल ट्रेनिंग या वैसा तो कुछ था नहीं. इट वाज बेसिकली एक सिंपल ट्यून बोल दिया था कि ये ट्यून प्ले करना है एंड देन यू प्रैक्टिस दैट फॉर. तो दैट वाज अ बिग डील. तो मैंने मी एंड देयर वाज अनदर गाय जिन्होंने पिक किया था गिटार एंड वी प्लेड फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 15 days. वी वर गिवन कि जो भी बजा सकते हो बजाओ. And then one guy will be eventually picked up for to play in the program जो होता है Founders Day Orchestra. तो 15 दिन खूब बजाया हमने. फिर somehow I got picked कि चलो तुम बजाओगे Founders Day में. तो Founders Day में बजा दिया. And like I still remember those tunes and it was a very basic tune. वैसा कुछ था नहीं. And you play it. And so that was episode 2 of music and that's it. उसके बाद तो फिर मतलब म्यूजिक क्लासेस तो होता था एंड देन वो एग्जाम होता था विच में आई थिंक आउट ऑफ 20 मार्क्स होता था. मुझे घिस पिट के 10 मिल जाते थे तो बहुत मिल जाते थे. वो भी बिकॉज क्योंकि जन गण मन गाना आता था. तो दैट वाज मिस्टर बागची. उसके बाद एक बार क्लास 9th या 10th में फिर से ऑर्केस्ट्रा हो रहा था एंड आई थिंक दे वर प्लेइंग सम स्टफ सॉन्ग्स और उनको लास्ट मोमेंट में कुछ अरे गिटार में कोई नहीं है तो कौन. तो आई थिंक हाँ तो somebody in our class would have said कि अच्छा ये आर्घ्या ने बजाया था जूनियर स्कूल में. दैट वाज क्लास 5th. उसके बाद क्लास 9th या 10th 9th ही होगा क्योंकि एंड तो विद मे बी 1 week रिमेनिंग मुझे बोला गया कि ये ट्यून तुम somehow pick it up. और वो भी नहीं कि मतलब कुछ नोट्स वोट्स दिया हो या वैसा भी कुछ नहीं. मतलब बस ये है गाना. एंड हाँ तो I think somebody who knew like Rajkumar and there were other people who were really good at music.
They were musicians.
Yeah, they were musicians. तो उन्होंने they somehow taught me कि अच्छा ये तो somehow I was there वहाँ पे कुछ तो बजा दिया and that was it again end of it. And then finally अभी recently I had मतलब just before COVID and all I thought घर पे I had a guitar lying around. उसके भी अपना अलग से story है how but nobody played it. ऐसे ही पड़ा हुआ था. तो मैंने सोचा कि yeah let me try to play something.
ये 25 साल से ज़्यादा हो रहा है. This is a gap of 25 plus years.
Right. And then मैंने सोचा कि ऐसा चलो कुछ तो बजाते हैं. और obviously I will never become like a musician. Like that time has gone. But what I can do is I can try to pick one song and इस गाने को बजाने के लिए जितना भी कुछ चाहिए can I do it? Like that was a challenge to myself कि can I do everything that is necessary to play a song properly? तो उसी से मैंने करते करते फिर then I picked up. हाँ तो फिर हो गया. Then I said okay well obviously it's not the best guitar or anything but at least to myself it's a big achievement क्योंकि मैंने कभी जिंदगी में like music सीखा नहीं and all that and just YouTube देख के like कुछ तो बजा लिया.
By the way, coming to music, there is another Ogrovian, Nitin Dubey. He would be a batch junior to you. He is a musician. He's a professional musician, settled in Bombay. He takes workshops and teaches online, offline, everything. He's somebody who is also an engineer, and then finally he took up his first passion, that was music. So he does that.
Yeah.
And coming to orchestra, I as you said, you saw HK Sensua, and it just kicked in something. When we were in boys' school, Puneet Monga, he had conjunctivitis. And he put on those shades in the auditorium, and he played synthesizer like a rock star. So that was the first time we felt that magic being transferred to as audience, because it was some Bollywood song basically, and Monga was like fully into it. So that is how it passes on from generation to generation, I suppose.
He was also very, very talented.
He was very talented.
Yeah, and that is the thing. Like when you're in school and you see so many other people doing everything else, and you just have to say कि yeah, I want to do it, and then you get that opportunity. यार वही है कि अगर बचपन में थोड़ा सा भी कुछ किया हो, तो somewhere you say to yourself कि हाँ ये कर तो सकता हूँ.
It is doable.
हाँ.
All right. So this was. But about studies, I remember you were a decent student. I mean, I think in your batch, Sanjay Mishra was the topper throughout. I guess he was the guy who stood first for a very, I mean, kind of in regular class tests and all.
हाँ, तो हमारे टाइम पे like things used to vary, like sometimes like
okay.
it wasn't कि there were some classes जहाँ पे ऐसा था कि
एक
like
बंदा,
one
हाँ.
guy has एक बंदा throughout first आया हो या वैसा, तो हमारे बैच में I think वैसा like perfect record वैसा किसी का नहीं है.
Okay.
जब मैं जूनियर स्कूल में आई रिमेम्बर हमारे क्लास की बात कर रहा हूँ, like when we started class 3-4 तो उस समय शकील अख्तर used to come first.
Yes.
Then class 6th में हम लोग आए सीनियर स्कूल में, and the first monthly test जो हुआ, they used to announce ranks even in monthly test उस समय.
Yes.
तो फर्स्ट मंथली टेस्ट जब हुआ तो आई एक्चुअली केम फर्स्ट.
And that would be combined sections for the first time.
Yeah.
Combined round.
Yeah. So I was myself surprised and shocked कि ये हो कैसे गया. But anyway, and then I think I was okay. Like I at my worst I went to like my position went to 13th position, and generally I would be in the like 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th.
Now, why 13? I'm interested now. I mean,
that also, I don't know. समय मतलब ऐसा था कि like sometimes you get engaged with some activity. Suppose sports में अचानक रुचि हो गया sports में करना, तो चलो sports करते हैं, या जैसे music हुआ, art हुआ, या कुछ हुआ. And उस समय वैसा था नहीं कि मुझे and I think क्लास में very few people had that कि नहीं मुझे रैंक में फर्स्ट आना है.
Exactly. Nobody had actually.
वैसा कुछ वो नहीं था. Like nobody had that drive कि मुझे रैंक लाना है वैसा. तो आ गया like जो भी आना था आ गया वैसे ही मतलब बिंदास. तो that was the thing, 13th. And then I think उसके बाद transformation sometimes around 8th, 9th, 10th. There were a few teachers again who joined who were very good. I remember there used to be a chemistry teacher called VM1.
Yes, the king of organic chemistry.
Yeah, and then Krishna Kumar, who became the headmaster, Mr. Krishna Kumar. So he had just joined in physics, and maths used to be Mr. Pandey. For I think senior classes, and then for junior classes we had a few changes. Mr. Jakmola, if you remember, was a temporary teacher and all.
For maths, he taught us. We kind of, I don't think we had we had Mr. Vaidya for us.
Yeah. So so like somehow like some of those teachers who joined, and they were very encouraging, and especially like some of those teachers would say would not limit themselves to कि ये course है तो यही पढ़ो. Like if somebody took a problem which was even outside the course, or बहुत senior level के भी अगर problems हैं, you took it to them, they would solve it and respect you for asking that question and encourage you for asking that question. And you could go to their rooms at 9 o'clock in the night, or whenever, like you could go to their room or stop them in the middle and ask them. So somehow I think the whole the setting came together.
The culture basically, yeah.
The culture came together. So again, going back to some of those magazines हम खरीदते थे and पढ़ते थे and वैसा करते थे. And then तो Sanjay Mishra, then like at that stage, he would often come first in class. Like I use the word often because there were times when other people would come. Yeah, and then there was another guy, very bright. जो actually junior school में Niranjan Kumar and like other who used to come first in junior school. And there were episodes जहाँ पे, and in fact one thing like culturally actually Niranjan changed for our whole class was एक बार कुछ history का exam हुआ, and he got like very high marks and everybody else got okay marks.
Okay.
And then pata chala what he did was he actually studied from a few books which was outside the course. He had bought some books which were outside, and there were points made in that book which were not in our course.
Okay.
So he made those points and he scored very high marks. And somehow that changed the culture of the class ki we should study not just things which are in our core curriculum course books, but we should study outside books. Or achanak se ho gaya ki everybody would then go buy books which are not course books. So
maybe
that
guides.
Actually,
maybe
not
guides.
even guides. No,
not
not
guides.
just
Okay.
not guides. No, guides तो ठीक है, उसकी भी अपनी अलग story है.
Limitations हैं उसके भी, हाँ.
हाँ, but these were like suppose अगर history की ही हो गया, मतलब topic, so you go out and look R.C. Majumdar, and like there are many other people who would have written books on, let's say, Indian independence struggle and all that, right? So you get different perspectives which are not just NCERT perspectives. So somehow वो culture आ गया अपने class में कि people used to do that, not just with history but with science and like physics, chemistry, अलग-अलग से books खरीदते थे, library से books लाते थे, and then sometimes we would challenge our teachers also कि sir लेकिन यहाँ पे तो ये उस समय थोड़ा सा वो होता था कि मतलब बचकाना होता था कि मतलब people also wanted to show the teacher कि अरे हमें कितना आता है, मतलब वो भी रहता है, but somehow मतलब the good thing is that culturally हमारे class में वैसा हो गया कि people try to know more than what's just in the books, and I think that played very well. And then I think class 10th में the other thing was when we were in class 6th and all, people started thinking about 10th, and whenever we looked up okay, let's look up the history of scores people got, marks people got in board exams, the highest marks that we saw ever from anybody in our school was Anirudh Hazra from probably some 85, I don't remember, like 85, 86, like kuch to batch ka. And he scored like 80%, and that was the highest score ever in our school. And हमारा था कि 80% मिल जाएगा, like that was the, like as we were preparing in 9th and 10th, अपना था कि 80% is our goal, like 80% तो मिलना चाहिए. So that was it. And then anyway that happened, and then we took our boards. तो वही बोर्ड्स में जब रिजल्ट्स आए तो आई वाज एक्चुअली शॉक्ड कि मेरे साइंस में उस समय 100 आ गए थे, व्हिच वाज लाइक अ बिग डील. उस समय आते नहीं थे. एंड उस समय जब मार्क्स होते थे वो टोटल भी करके देते नहीं थे, वो इंडिविजुअली मार्क्स देते थे सब्जेक्ट्स के. तो देन व्हेन वी एडेड तो मेरा शायद आई थिंक 82% या समथिंग कुछ उस रेंज में था, एंड संजय का वाज 82-83%, मतलब so he was first and I was second. But what really उस समय ये हो गया था कि like अपना गोल था कि बस 80 मिल जाए किसी से, क्योंकि हाजरा was 80, उससे ज्यादा तो मिल नहीं सकता, मतलब he was God. तो अपने को जब ज्यादा मिल गया तो we were obviously very happy. But then I think subsequently जो मैंने देखा कि gradually Ugrov में people started doing more and more well, and then लोगों के even शायद 80-90% आने लगे हमारे बाद.
Mayank Joshi got 91 in class 12th. Overall. So again your batch. Again your batch.
Yeah, he was.
And that is when the story started kind of changing. That okay, 90 is achievable. Like you said, 80. Yeah. It was for the first time somebody saw 90 in OG. So again, that
तो
would be.
उसमें था कि right, yeah. तो उसमें था कि जैसे बाकी साइंस सब्जेक्ट्स में भी अच्छे आ गए थे. इंग्लिश और हिंदी में हमारे लाइक मेरा 70 आया था. इंग्लिश के लिए आई वाज वेरी सैड कि अरे 70 कैसे आ गया. एंड देन हिंदी के लिए 70 में आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि 70 आ गया.
Hindi was tough. Yeah. So after 10th, you decided not to come back to OG and stay in Kharagpur. So that was a conscious decision for preparation. To prepare for IITs. JEE that the
हाँ
exam.
हाँ 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 हाँ, उस समय वैसा था कि इवन लाइक क्लास 9th-10th में like I think I had my mind made up along with some others also, जिनका था कि मतलब अगर IIT के लिए प्रिपरेशन करना है तो OG में रह के तो वो नहीं होने वाला, and so you needed some like focused coaching या teaching जो अलग से. So yeah, that was a conscious decision कि I'll leave after 10th.
How many attempts to get to Kharagpur, IIT Kharagpur?
Mine was first attempt.
I mean, along with class 12th, yeah, a drop after class 12 and then.
No, after 12th only. Like
12th only.
Yeah.
How did you manage that? Usually people take a drop, they prepare for a year, and then maybe.
No, so again, like in Kharagpur, when I go back to Kharagpur, so I went back to Kharagpur, joined Kendriya Vidyalaya, वहाँ पे स्कूल में, and Kharagpur में there were a few teachers who specialized in coaching for IIT. तो उनके वहाँ एडमिशन लिया, तो केमिस्ट्री का, फिजिक्स का एंड मैथ्स का, they would like twice a week what tuitions होते हैं, and then you prepare. So again, those were very good teachers. मुझे luckily I have been lucky उस हिसाब से, like even OG में भी like folks like VM Van या Krishna Kumar, and there were other teachers who were very encouraging and like almost like personal attention दे देते हैं. So I had the same luck even 11th-12th में, जब जो teachers थे, they were kind of very helpful, and एक मतलब वैसे तो क्लास कराते थे, बट इवन आउटसाइड द क्लास अगर मैं कभी कुछ बोलूं कि अच्छा ये समझ में नहीं आया एंड ऑल, तो दे वुड कॉल मी और इवन कम टू माय हाउस एंड पढ़ा देते थे. तो आई गॉट लकी उस हिसाब से. अ फ्यू थिंग्स जो अगेन आई थिंक आई किक स्टार्टेड, तो जब हम क्लास 9th या 10th में थे, हाँ, तो दैट VM1 की हम बात कर रहे थे, तो ही इन्फ्यूज्ड उस समय की केमिस्ट्री का काफी कुछ which was even outside the course वो पढ़ा देते थे, and
we believe it was all outside the course. तो वैसा तो, and then by the time I was in 11th, somehow out of मतलब just for giggles, कि पूरा periodic table मुझे याद था. हाँ, मुझे याद था. You could ask me like atomic number, atomic weight or whatever, like I could tell you the entire periodic table. So that was in class 10th. मतलब that was just out of मतलब कुछ use तो था नहीं, but ऐसा था कि कर लेना है, कर लिया. तो वैसे वही हो जाता है कि then you attend the 11th में जब हम classes कर रहे थे, तो a lot of things which actually जो मिस्टर वन ने हमें सिखाया था, पढ़ाया था, वो 11th-12th में लाइक जब लिंक हो जाता है, क्योंकि इवन थिंग्स लाइक कि अच्छा ग्लूकोज और फ्रुक्टोज में बताओ क्या डिफरेंस है, कीटोन है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, व्हाटएवर, लाइक अब तो मुझे याद भी नहीं है, बट थिंग्स लाइक दोस, लिटिल थिंग्स लाइक दोस. तो व्हेन यू गो टू अ क्लास एंड क्लास में पढ़ा रहा है एंड देन यू ऑलरेडी नो, या यू कैन पिक things up much quicker. तो टीचर का भी वो होता है कि अच्छा ये स्टूडेंट ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड है, तो लेट मी, मतलब ये कुछ भी पूछता है तो लेट मी पे अटेंशन, तो वो भी हो जाता है. तो या नहीं थिंग्स, सो आई नो लाइक आई कुड फील कि हाँ ठीक है, लाइक आई एम अंडरस्टैंडिंग थिंग्स, मतलब that much I knew. होगा कि नहीं, that तो nobody can guarantee, क्योंकि मतलब it's a very very tough exam. It's a very competitive exam actually. It's very competitive.
And a lot depends on us दिन how your brain functions for those 3 hours, for those 6 hours when you're taking the test. हमारे time पे तो just joint entrance होता था and like nothing else. तो हाँ नहीं, somehow like I knew कि मुझे समझ में तो आ रहा है, ठीक है, मतलब हो सकता है, that was there कि, लेकिन हो जाएगा वो तो खैर होने के बाद ही पता चलता है.
So were there any backup plans just in case?
Actually नहीं, मतलब मेरा नहीं था. मतलब I had applied for उस समय IIT and then एक Bengal joint हुआ करता था
Okay.
exams, just which was for the Bengal Engineering College. So you
Okay.
take one exam और उसमें if you take physics, chemistry, maths के exam, you're basically applying for colleges like the Jadavpur, Shivpur, and ये सब Bengal के colleges. And if you take the exam for physics, chemistry, maths, and biology, then just by virtue of taking an additional exam, you also are applying for medical. Like
Okay.
you can also get for medical.
These were state level exams.
हाँ, तो it's called Bengal joint exams. मतलब जैसे joint entrance for IIT and then Bengal joint
Okay.
exam होता था. तो I had just applied for IITs. रुड़की, उस समय रुड़की का अलग से exam होता था.
Roorkee University, yeah, it wasn't an IIT.
हाँ, and then I had applied for Bengal joint.
Okay.
तो हाँ, मेरे सभी में हो गया था एक्चुअली. IIT में हो गया था, रुड़की में भी हो गया था, एंड बंगाल जॉइंट में मेरे इंजीनियरिंग का भी हो गया था, मेडिकल का भी हो गया था. तो यस, देन आई फाइनली पिक्ड की IIT.
So मतलब the best of the institutes in India and you are going there. और कुछ बचा उसके बाद फिर जिंदगी में? in class 12th you're already there.
हाँ, उसके आगे पता नहीं था, but anyway हो गया. उसके बाद फिर IIT भी हो गई.
अच्छा, I wanted to know, I mean, because you are an IITian. Is there actually so much stress that we lose youngsters? I mean, the news comes for youngsters committing suicide. What is it that we can't put our finger on? If you can, well, I don't know.
No, it's a very unfortunate and sad subject. ये न्यूज मैंने काफी रिसेंटली भी देखा है. मतलब न्यूज में देखते हो कि 1 या 2 स्टूडेंट्स कमिटिंग सुसाइड एंड ऑल. एक्चुअली हमारे टाइम पे थैंकफुली आई डोंट remember any of such incidents for the 4 years that I was in IIT. At least not that I can remember anything. So I don't know, like what aspect should I touch? Usme,
I mean, does
like, I'm sure there are some students काफी pressure में आ जाते होंगे, I'm sure. And pressure, you know, walls hota hai kuch. Like sometimes you are under pressure, there are certain walls which let out that pressure.
Yes.
So the walls that I would say hamare time pe, matlab the social, like how much assimilated you are with the social you know, friends kitne hai, other activities mein tum kya kar rahe ho, kaise kar rahe ho, teachers, faculty members के साथ कैसा ये है. And of course, you know, hard for me to comment, but I'm sure like even families, you know, they are a wall for you. Like if something is not going well somewhere, sometimes you just need somebody to talk about it, not solve it, but just talk about
just hear it out.
And hear it out. तो आई डोंट नो, मतलब ये स्टूडेंट्स मतलब लाइक नंबर 1 इतने प्रेशर में क्यों आ गए, एंड क्या उनके पास और कोई लाइक वॉल्व नहीं था टू लेट दैट प्रेशर आउट. तो ऑब्वियसली मतलब आई डोंट नो द इंडिविजुअल सिचुएशंस, तो कहना तो मुश्किल है.
Which branch of study did you choose at Kharagpur?
I was electronics and electrical communications.
That was by choice or according to the rank, or no, that was by choice?
That was by choice again. तो उस समय हमारे टाइम पे like the top courses used to be computers and electronics and ये सब, मतलब those were usually what people would pick up. So in my case, I picked up electronics and electrical communications, क्योंकि उस समय honestly पता नहीं होता है बहुत कुछ. Like एक तो मतलब इंजीनियरिंग करना है,
उस टाइम पे
इंजीनियरिंग सब कर रहे हैं, इंजीनियरिंग अच्छा है तो मुझे भी इंजीनियरिंग करना है, लेकिन इंजीनियरिंग में होता क्या है उतना कुछ पता नहीं होता है. एंड वंस यू गेट इट, वो कहने के तो देयर इज व्हाट्स द टर्म यूज्ड, I'm forgetting the term, जहाँ पे basically you go and
counseling.
Counseling, thank you. Yeah. So counseling hota hai where the professors and everybody comes and tells you what it is, but it's not sufficient. मतलब एक दिन में तुमको मतलब there are 50 branches. तुम क्या पता करोगे कौन से branch में क्या है?
पूरे 50 पता भी नहीं होंगे, let alone.
हाँ, IIT खड़गपुर में खास करके there were like a lot, like more than other IITs. तो उतना तो पता नहीं होता है, बट ये होन इन कैसे चलो टॉप क्या है उसमें क्या लाइक व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. तो उसमें ऐसा था कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में ऐसा था कि लोगों ने बताया कि अच्छा इफ यू डू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लाइक 50-60% ऑफ द कोर्स इज सिमिलर टू व्हाट यू स्टडी इन कंप्यूटर्स, प्लस इट आल्सो कीप्स योर ऑप्शंस ओपन फॉर लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड things of those nature. You can even go to like physics and all, क्योंकि solid state physics and semiconductors and all. So it opens up your options a lot more.
Okay.
Reality में ऐसा होता है कि नहीं, I don't know. But उस समय यही था कि okay, I just need to keep all my options open. तो चलो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. और प्लस वो भी होता है कि आसपास के लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, दोस्त क्या कर रहे हैं. There were a few other people who were also from Kharagpur जिनको वो भी मिला था, and आपस में बात करो and they are नहीं चलो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, तो ठीक है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ले लिया.
Talking about those 4 years at IIT Kharagpur.
Yeah.
So I assume it's not only academics. There would be many other things. What makes an IIT an IIT? I mean, why is such a craze? I mean, in my case, if you say if you don't get through IIT, you are like one of the untouchables in academics or career-wise. I mean, is it worth? I mean, spending those 4 years at IIT, does it kind of? I mean, we all know that IITians end up doing really well in their careers, at least most of them. What is it that makes you an IITian? I mean, why this craze?
मतलब वैसे तो I mean if you ask anybody, hey, would you pick any other college, I think anybody that studied in any college, very high probability they'll say no, I won't pick any other college than the one that I went to, right? Because ultimately like whatever you do, wherever you reach, that's part of your journey. I mean, if you do well in life and you went to some other college, let's say Jadavpur mein gaya, yeah, pick any college, and if that person has done well, looking back he'll say no, I don't want to change anything.
Yes.
That's part of my story and that's what made me. So to wo to hai. Now what makes an IITian? See, a few things. I mean, one is to get into IIT, there's that craze कि हाँ चलो IIT करना है, and then you know कि तुम compete करके आ रहे हो, and to get into IIT, मतलब it's possible that a good student might not get into IIT. Like we discussed कि on that day how you perform, it all matters. And it's also possible कि you didn't study very well, but somehow something click and तुम IIT में आ गए, वो भी हो सकता है.
Okay.
But for the vast majority and averages की बात करें, तो you have to toil hard and you have to slog hard to get into IIT, right? Regardless of how intelligent you are, how smart you are, you have to toil. तो IIT में कोई भी बंदा घुसता है, ये तो है कि ये बंदा फाइट मार सकता है.
Yes. ईरोडोव लगा के पहुंचा है.
हाँ, अब नहीं, ईरोडोव की भी अलग कहानी है, मतलब नॉट एवरीथिंग ईरोडोव नहीं है, बट एनीवे विल कम टू दैट. बट हाँ, बट ये है कि मतलब बंदा में कुछ तो होना पड़ेगा कि एक self discipline, and when I say discipline, it's not just कि वो routine and all that, but एक mental toughness कि हाँ मुझे ये चीज करना है, और ये करने के लिए मुझे अगर 16 घंटे 20 घंटे भी पढ़ना पड़े तो मैं पढ़ लूंगा. ठीक है, और जरूरत नहीं है कि तुम 20 घंटे पढ़ो, लेकिन वो बिलीफ रहता है कि अगर मुझे करना पड़े तो मैं कर लूंगा. ठीक है, तो वो रहता है। तो मतलब बेसिकली द पॉइंट इज कि एनीबडी दैट गेट्स इन, यू नो कि ये बंदा फाइट मार सकता है, ये बंदा मतलब सोच सकता है इन अ पर्टिकुलर वे, एंड दिस पर्सन कैन सॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम। मतलब अल्टीमेटली प्रॉब्लम ही सॉल्व करने होते हैं, मैथ्स हो फिजिक्स हो कुछ भी हो, प्रॉब्लम ही सॉल्व करने होते हैं। तो ओके, नाउ व्हाट मेक्स एन आईआईटीएन की आई थिंक जनरली लाइक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर्स, मतलब and I think you can say that for most like engine, doesn't matter if it's IIT or not, but
engineers in
engineering
in general, yes,
right, they're all like problem solvers. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है बता दो, मैं तो सॉल्व तो कर दूंगा किसी भी तरह से। ठीक है, तो
हाँ, please
go ahead. नहीं, go ahead.
I went to one of the Lucknow's best engineering college, government engineering college, and I was asked to give a small speech, and I told them very clearly that had I been good enough to be an engineer, I would have been an engineer, because that is the first choice you have, because these are the only people who are trying to bring the cost of living down. rest almost everyone is pulling the cost up. Engineers are hell-bent on pulling it down. सबको सस्ता कर देते हैं. Yeah. So, but yeah, I'm very sure about it that if I had the what you can say the skill set, I would any day take being an engineer. But again, उतना दिमाग वाला चला नहीं मेरा, थोड़ा मैथ से.
नहीं खैर, अभी तो look, I mean the India that we grew up in is very different from the India now. मतलब हमारे टाइम पे वही था कि क्या करना है, like blinders on करो, okay, engineering हो तो ठीक है, medical हो तो ठीक है, engineering medical अगर नहीं हुआ तो कुछ करो, and then IAS कर लो.
Yes, I'll tell you. Engineering, medical, hotel management, NDA, and finally IAS बन जाएगा.
IAS बन जाएगा. Right, so those were the only options during our time. ठीक है, अभी तो like you can do anything and do very well in life. मतलब even at the starting you know you will do very well. हमारे टाइम पे था कि अगर कोई कुछ और कोर्स कर रहा है, सपोज आर्ट्स लेके पढ़ रहा है या बेसिक साइंस लेके पढ़ रहा है, तो द स्कोप वाज सो लिमिटेड कि तुमको मतलब व्हेन यू आर स्टार्टिंग आउट यू डोंट नो वेयर यू विल एंड अप. मतलब अभी तो यू कैन स्टिल से नहीं, आई वांट टू स्टडी साइंस और उसमें मुझे ये पढ़ना है, एंड देन यू विल लाइक डू वेरी वेल.
द एंड इज द you can say कि मंजिल दिखाई पड़ती है थोड़ी सी कि हाँ ठीक है वहां तक पहुंच जाएंगे. At that time you didn't know which path जा कहाँ रहा है. Okay. So what else did you do at IIT besides पढ़ाई लिखाई? वो तो हो गया होगा बेसिकली, इतना मेहनत कर.
पढ़ाई लिखाई, हाँ पढ़ाई लिखाई IIT में लोग एक बार घुस जाते हैं तो फिर
हो जाती है,
वो इंजीनियरिंग मोड में हो जाता है. तो इट्स नॉट लाइक यू आर स्लॉगिंग डे इन डे आउट, वैसा नहीं होता है. बट अगेन थैंकफुली IIT Kharagpur is one of those IITs where you have a lot of co-curricular activities जो होती हैं, बहुत होती हैं. I'm sure other IITs में भी होती होंगी और या होती होंगी, but somehow IIT Kharagpur offered हमारे टाइम पे a lot more options than some other IITs. तो मतलब मैंने क्या, मतलब you have all the sports basically, cricket, football. मतलब again go back to OG, you have all the sports. Similarly, you have all those things in IIT. I particularly played hockey क्योंकि हॉकी तो अपना DNA में बिल्ट हो जाता है.
Yes.
OG. तो और IIT में when I was there were a few other close friends of mine जो बिहार में नेतरहाट स्कूल से पढ़े हुए थे.
Yes.
And they also had a very good culture of hockey.
Okay.
हाँ, they used to play hockey. तो अपनी भी बन गई उनके साथ. तो I played hockey a lot. Athletics तो करते ही थे OG में भी और IIT में भी. Then और क्या करते थे IIT में?
आर्ट स्केचिंग ये सब हाँ या छूट गया?
स्केचिंग एक्चुअली फिर छूट गया. फिर IIT में फिर आई डोंट रिमेम्बर. हाँ, तो मतलब जो सॉक कल्ट हम बोलते थे, मतलब सोशल एंड कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज, उसमें again there are many activities, I won't even begin naming them, but a few that you might have seen already or heard, and others have heard already, is जैसे दिवाली में हमारा कुछ होता है, जैसे रंगोली करते हैं. Like there is this concept of every hall, they create rangoli, they create what we call illumination basically, contest. YouTube में कभी देखना तो मतलब just search for KGP like Diwali illumination or something, you'll see. It's mind boggling. मतलब अगर देखा नहीं है तो for anybody that has seen it for the first time, they are blown out of their mind. तो क्या होता है कि जैसे दिवाली से पहले ऑलमोस्ट 1-1.5 महीना पहले से पीपल स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग एंड मतलब रंगोली तो रंगोली है, लाइक यूल सी लाइक पूरा जैसे कॉमन रूम के फ्लोर पे या लाइक दे विल डू अ रंगोली व्हिच इज अगेन लाइक माइंड बॉगलिंग रंगोलीज यूल सी. एंड देन दे डू लाइक दिया लेके, मतलब जो लाइव दिया, मतलब इलेक्ट्रिक वाले नहीं, लाइक
मिट्टी वाला,
प्रॉपर दिया, मिट्टी वाला दिया. सो उसमें लाइक देयर आर panels, huge panels, like huge panels. Uspe like people will, like every hall comes up with their own concepts ki is saal ye concept darshaya jana chahiye, and they'll it's hard to explain. Matlab it's basically they'll pick something, say ki mujhe ye scene depict karna hai, and they'll draw it and they'll put diyas exactly in the right places, and then there's a contest. ये hall का contest होता है. So when मतलब जब judges आने वाले होते हैं तो there's like 200-300 students सब दियेस के पीछे बैठे हुए हैं दिया जलाने के लिए, and within like 7 to 10 minutes सारे दिया मतलब manually जलाया जाता है, and within like 1 minute everybody vanishes from the scene. And you go there and you see this entire facades of diyas depicting something. It's mind boggling. You just got to see that. So हाँ, उस तरह के activities में again like that art pedigree थोड़ा सा helpful हो जाता है. Like you do things there, you participate in those. तो यही सब. And then IIT में और क्या करते थे हम लोग?
फ्रेंडशिप्स
करते तो हर चीज थे. हाँ, फ्रेंडशिप्स, बैठ के बातें कर रहे हैं. हमारे टाइम पे कंप्यूटर्स जब हम घुसे ही थे उस समय आना स्टार्ट हुआ था. सो या मतलब टू गेट एक्सेस टू कंप्यूटर वाज अ बिग डील. मतलब लैब में अगर घुस के कंप्यूटर चलाने को मिल गया तो उस समय बहुत बड़ी बात होती थी. तो anyway, so those things were just beginning. तो उसमें थोड़ा सा टाइम स्पेंड कर दिया या बट हाँ बहुत मस्ती होता था. एंड देन लाइक इंटर हॉल जैसे सारे गेम्स होते थे, एंड द सेम लाइक हमारे ओजी में जैसा होता था ना कि इंटर हाउस, इंटर स्कूल में जाके मतलब जाओ, चीयर करो एंड चीयर करो, मतलब गाली गलौज, लाइक
गाली गलौज भी करो,
ऑल फ्री, मतलब फ्री फॉर्म. तो वही सिमिलर सारा environment जहाँ पे मस्ती करो, मतलब you go and do all these things.
Do you guys realize while you are there that you are amongst probably the finest brains in the country? You are living with people who are seriously bright, or it is just like उस समय नहीं realization होता है ठीक है चल रहा है?
हाँ नहीं, उस समय तो रियलाइज नहीं होता है. टीचर्स आके अक्सर बोलते हैं कि you guys are supposed to be the brightest और तुम ये कर रहे हो. So you go through that phase and then you don't realize, obviously, but you do see people who are extremely bright. Matlab, there are students, obviously यहाँ पे I won't, like the names won't matter, but अपने बैच में like I can name, like there are extremely bright students. Matlab, there are students who would pick up some, कुछ तो मतलब किसी साइंटिस्ट ने कुछ बोला होगा या कुछ मैथ्स में किसी ने कुछ प्रूव किया होगा, एंड दे विल गो चैलेंज एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. तो उस तरह के स्टूडेंट्स भी होते हैं, बट अगेन दे आर फ्यू इन नंबर्स जो उस तरह से उस समय पीपल से कि हाँ ये बंदा ये है. बट लाइक जनरली व्हेन यू आर देयर इट्स ऑल लाइक नॉर्मल लाइफ. आई मीन नोबडी केयर्स या सेज या थिंक्स कि हाँ मैं ग्रेट हूँ या वैसा. मतलब you are मतलब at the end of the day you're always in the middle of something where you don't know, and you don't know a lot. There are a lot of things you don't know, and you always feel कि अरे यार ये तो नहीं याद लगने वाली है, ये नहीं आता. मतलब you're constantly in that phase. मतलब when you're in school लगता है कि अच्छा ये नहीं आता, ये मतलब ये अगर नहीं आया तो लाइफ तो बर्बाद है. उसी तरह IITs में भी हर साल वही होता है कि अच्छा यार ये सब्जेक्ट है, इसमें ये नहीं आया, अगर ये समझ में नहीं आया या ये ग्रेड नहीं आया तो लाइफ तो बर्बाद है. मतलब वो फीलिंग तो हमेशा रहता है, बट यू coast along and do well.
So did you pick up a job after IIT?
After IIT I did get a job in IBM. लेकिन I did not join it क्योंकि मेरा फिर IIM में हो गया था, तो I went to IMC.
So you took CAT in the last year of your graduation या?
हाँ.
अच्छा, तो graduation खत्म हुआ and you got through IMC.
Yeah. हमारे टाइम पे like again the thing is कि अभी जैसे there's a lot of weightage or a large portion of people who get through IIM, my understanding, I could be wrong, is कि people who have work experience. I think work experience plays a big role in
what has happened.
I don't know, you might actually know.
They have put like if you have a work ex of say 36 months, then that has some weightage. Beyond 36, it kind of goes back to zero.
I see.
Three
so, but in terms of the percentage of intake that has work experience, is what's the percentage now?
I am not very sure about it, but still, freshers are more welcome still.
I see. Okay.
If you have
time pe, like whatever the ratio is now, I think my guess is apne time pe the ratio was कि there were more freshers than people with work experience.
Still is.
तो हाँ, मतलब वही like I took IIM के exams like final year में जब IIT में थे. So I had taken the exams and then I joined IIM straight. I didn't join the job.
Okay. Again, repeating the same question. Again, this would have been planned. At least the MBA part would have been planned. कि engineering के बाद.
नहीं. So this was so you know funnily. I mean, the first time I learned about IIM, like the fact that there is MBA and there is IIM, like growing up, I had no idea. ऐसा होता है. I just remember, you remember a guy called Utsav Mukhopadhyay in our class?
Yes, very much.
Okay. So he had joined our class, I think in class 8th or maybe like 7th or 8th or something. And he brought in a lot of perspective उस समय बाहर से जो हमारे Oak Grove में like हमें नहीं पता था. हाँ, तो मुझे याद है like we were in class 8th या 9th या कभी, तो उसने like in passing किसी conversation में बोला होगा कि अरे मतलब once you do IIM you get a pay package of 50,000 per month. I was like 50,000 per month, मतलब ये तो बकवास कर रहा है, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. नहीं, मतलब ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. 50,000 per month किसको मिलता होगा? तो that was the first time I even heard of IIM. तो anyway IITs में थे and IIT में वही था कि जॉब मिल जाएगा, कर लेंगे and all that. But somehow वही था कि final, I think some 3rd year 4th year में like there were others who were saying कि मतलब IIT में वो होता है कि there are a lot of students who prepare for
GATE, I suppose.
MTechs in US and other colleges.
Okay.
So people prepare for things like GATE, मतलब GATE exam होता है ना?
GRE,
not
and
GATE. Sorry, GATE. GRE, yes, you're right. तो GATE बहुत कम लोग देते हैं from BTech to MTech. At least उस समय थे, like when I say have, my knowledge is 20 years ago. तो GRE काफी लोग देते थे MTech करने के लिए, मतलब MS करने के लिए US में. And there was a sizable population who also used to prepare for CAT exam. तो उस समय वही था कि चलो CAT दे देते हैं. उस समय वही मुझे याद आया, अरे मतलब इसमें तो 50,000 रुपए पैसे मिल जाएंगे. तो IIM देने में हर्ज क्या है, like दे देते हैं. तो there's another interesting ये था मेरा कि when I was in class 12th, उस समय अचानक से एक दिन कुछ तो like some company or some organization came to our school and said ki like write a tagline for something kuch to.
Okay.
So like without even thinking, like we just wrote, like everybody wrote some tagline, kuch to mujhe yaad bhi nahi hai kya tha. And we did it, and they announced ki there were like 2 winners or something, और उसमें से मेरा tagline got the winner. And we had spent hardly like 5 minutes भी नहीं लगा था वो लिखने में, but somehow हो गया था. And then उसके प्राइज में मुझे एक बुक मिला था.
Okay.
वो बुक था वर्ड पावर मेड इजी.
Norman Lewis, red color, this thick.
Red color, exactly. Thick book.
Thick book.
हाँ, तो वो बुक मुझे क्लास 12th में से मिला था, पढ़ा हुआ था. Then somehow IIT के जब मैं फर्स्ट ईयर या सेकंड ईयर में था तो वेकेशंस हुआ. तो आई केम बैक, और वेकेशंस में उस समय बहुत गर्मी होती थी ऑब्वियसली, मतलब समर वेकेशंस में. तो व्हाइल एवरीबॉडी वुड बी घर में गर्मी में, आई वुड go to a place which was very quiet and शांत and मतलब अंधेरा ऐसा. तो उस समय somehow again coincidentally that book used to be there. तो मैं रोज आफ्टरनून में लेके उसको पढ़ता था. And maybe because I went to a zone of mind, मतलब quiet, शांत, like nothing else, I realized कि I was picking up like all those words very like आज अगर if I study a chapter, then कल परसों मुझे याद रह रहा है सारा, like whatever words were there, मुझे याद हो जा रहा है. तो मैंने कहा चलो ये तो बड़ा मजेदार है. And I learned a lot of words जो मुझे पता भी नहीं था उस समय कि ऐसे words भी होते हैं. So somehow I finished that book during that summer vacation.
45 sessions. It has 45 sessions.
हाँ. तो सारे हो गए और मुझे याद भी हो गया सारे वर्ड्स काफी. तो that was again coincidental. and तो जब मैं थर्ड ईयर में, फाइनल ईयर में जब लोग प्रिपरेशन करना चालू करते हैं, पीपल स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग की वर्ड पावर, वोकैबुलरी पढ़ना एंड ऑल, दे स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. तो व्हेन आई वाज इन थर्ड ईयर, I realized कि vocabulary में काफी words तो मुझे आते ही हैं. Like I didn't study like उस समय IMS used to be one material जो वो लोग coaching. तो मैंने उनके words देखे तो काफी सारे, like 70-80% of the words मुझे आता था already because of this book. And of course there will be words that you never know.
Yes.
तो मैंने कहा अरे words तो मुझे आता है, बाकी और क्या है, maths तो कर लेंगे, और क्या करना है, reading comprehension, तो उसमें क्या है, पढ़ना ही तो है और
बता देंगे
करना है. तो ये मतलब there's nothing to lose, like तो मैंने सोचा एग्जाम तो ले लेते हैं. तो थोड़ा मैंने फिर प्रिपेयर भी किया, फिर लास्ट करीब 1 month टाइप्स काफी प्रिपेयर इन द सेंस कि एग्जाम्स, वो जो एग्जाम्स होते हैं,
मॉक टेस्ट,
मॉक एग्जाम्स. हाँ, उसी में आई थिंक IMS के कोर्स मटेरियल में देयर आर
इंक्लूडेड इन दैट
मॉक टेस्ट्स एंड ऑल. तो वो सब किया. एंड देन आई थिंक बिकॉज आई हैड टेकन IMS, आई थिंक दे हैड सम सेशन इन कैलकाटा वेयर यू कुड टेक अ मॉक टेस्ट. You could go to the center and take a mock test or something. तो वो भी मैंने किया था. And exam दे दिया, हो गया. And that's how.
I mean, they didn't give you the percentile score at that time. No? They just give you the call for the interviews. ऐसा कुछ.
Right. तो उस समय वही मेरा फिर you used to get calls from different IIMs separately, even though the exams was the same. Different institute sent you a different, मतलब it's possible that you might get into one or not. तो again मेरे सारे में हो गए थे, ABCL, इंदौर और कैलिकट वर द आई थिंक फर्स्ट और सेकंड ईयर हमारे बैच में. तो सारे में हो गए थे. Like I got call for all of them.
Why Calcutta? Because Ahmedabad would be like, Ahmedabad was I mean still remains on top.
हाँ, उस समय वैसा था कि अहमदाबाद वाज ये. तो मतलब फिर इंटरव्यू एंड GD हुआ. तो उसमें अगेन आफ्टर द GD एंड इंटरव्यू आई गॉट थ्रू ABC. लखनऊ में मेरा नहीं हुआ.
लखनऊ वाज एट नंबर 4.
उस समय लोग मतलब दैट वाज प्रीटी मच द रैंक दैट पीपल वुड say उस समय. अभी मतलब again these rankings are very funny because you know some institute, some magazines would say कि ये ऊपर है वो नीचे, but that aside, तो एबीसी में मेरा हो गया था. तो जब फाइनली सिलेक्ट करना था, तो आई थिंक मेरे घर में माय फादर हैड ऑलरेडी रिटायर्ड, ही वाज ग्रोइंग ओल्ड, माय मॉम. तो उस समय अचानक से कुछ हो गया कि मेरे डैड बोले, अरे तू मतलब जिंदगी भर घर के बाहर ही रहा है, अहमदाबाद चला जाएगा. मतलब आईआईटी भी, इवन दो आई वाज इन खड़गपुर, बट आई वाज स्टिल इन कैंपस ओनली. सो अहमदाबाद चला जाएगा इतना दूर. तो फिर वही हुआ कि अच्छा ठीक है, कलकत्ता में ही रह लेते हैं, अगर अच्छा करना हुआ यहाँ भी कर लेंगे.
सिंपल
डिसीजन. तो हाँ, इट वाजंट कि मतलब बहुत कि रात मैंने बिताया हो डिसीजन लेने के लिए, वैसा कुछ नहीं था.
I tell you, had it been today, it would have been ROI, it would have been the package, it would have been the companies that visit the campus. So complicated. Fortunately, in your case, it was simple. Family wants me home, I am home.
हाँ, तो मतलब फैमिली wants me home नहीं, मतलब I could tell, मतलब ऐसा कि पिताजी, मतलब nobody said कि hey you pick Calcutta क्योंकि वो घर पे है, but I could tell कि they don't want कि इतना दूर चला जाएगा and all. तो हाँ, कैंपस विजिट्स तो भी तो मैं गया नहीं, बट कैलकाटा बिकॉज इट वाज राइट क्लोज टू खड़गपुर एंड माय हाउस वाज इन खड़गपुर. So I did go to IIT campus और उस समय, sorry, IIM campus, IMCK campus Joka में, and there were a few IIT के seniors who were also in Joka. तो उनसे मिला and all that. तो उन्होंने वही बोला कि अगेन कितना सच है गलत है ये नहीं पता, बट उन्होंने यही बोला कि देखो IIMA में इट्स वेरी रिगरस, लाइक लाइक यू स्पेंड डेज एंड मतलब बहुत पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है, एंड लाइक दैट्स ऑल योर लाइफ विल बिकम. सी में यू हैव अदर एक्टिविटीज एंड वेयर there are other things you can do and थोड़ा चिल मारो. तो वो भी था कि हाँ, उतना फाइट मार के क्या है, मतलब अगर अच्छा करना होगा तो सी में भी कर लेंगे. तो वही, मतलब those things kind of played and ठीक है, सी कर लिया तो चलो हो गया.
So how would you say IIT and IIM, how are they different in terms of peers, people that are there, and in terms of the rigor involved?
मतलब प्योरली इन टर्म्स ऑफ एकेडमिक्स बोलोगे तो आईआईटी में वो था कि you didn't need to study for the entire year or like वो तो खैर IIM में भी ट्रू था, but to a certain extent IIT में you could coast along and मतलब एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर लिया और हो गया. IIM में वो हो जाता है कि IIM में there is a good component of your grades which depend on like class activities, participation और ये सब होता है. तो as such and I think साल में 3 semesters होते हैं, like 2 साल में 6 semesters, if I remember correctly, अब तो काफी भूल गया हूँ. तो like so even though you're chilling out, but you're still I think the schedule makes you more disciplined than in IITs. But still I think वो तो होता ही है कि last minute में अच्छा किसने notes लिए हैं उसका जाके notes पढ़ लो and all that. But in general, at an average, IIM it's more rigorous.
Okay.
Just because there are so many things happening so fast and there are exams so quickly, and then there are class participations and things like that.
So did you go through that placement pressure, or again it was simple?
Yeah, no, it was नहीं, प्लेसमेंट प्रेशर एक्चुअली अपने बैच में तो हुआ नहीं था, क्योंकि we graduated in the year 2000 when the economy was completely booming. वो .com एकदम boom चल रहा था. और IIM में ऐसा होता है कि the process is कि like throughout your final year, there are companies who come and give pre-placement talks. Like they'll come and talk about their company. And then every student, you rank based on these talks or whatever knowledge you have, or whatever exposure you get. You rank these companies ki mere ranking mein, like this is company number 1, company number 2 and all this. And then you submit them, and then all the students choices are aggregated, and then the companies themselves are ranked कि ये company
Okay.
number 1, number 2 and all that. And then वैसा होता है कि day 0 मतलब 3-4 दिन का मैटर होता था.
3 days actually.
ठीक है. तो day 0, day 1, day 2, day 3 and all that. तो day 0 में ये companies आएंगे, day 1 में ये companies आएंगे, and then you interview. तो interview GD वो हर company का अलग-अलग process होता है. तो then basically based on your ranking, you could go and apply for a company कि ये अगर उस company में हो गया, then हमारे time पे rule था कि you cannot go and sit for any company which is less than that in your ranking. If there is a company which is higher in ranking than the one that you got in, then you can apply or you can still go through the process for that other company. तो मतलब थोड़ा मतलब regardless of how good the condition is, मतलब टेंशन तो सबको होता है कि प्लेसमेंट होना है, कैसा होगा, क्या होगा एंड ऑल दैट. बट अगेन व्हेन यू लुक बैक, मतलब वो भी कोई टेंशन था, लाइक इट वाजंट रियली अ टेंशन उस समय. तो वही देन कंपनीज कम एंड I think so I applied for this company. उस समय the company was called Donaldson, Lufkin and Jenrette.
Okay. And which country are they from?
They were in the US. उस समय investment banking company हुआ करती थी, and they had a company called this. Basically, started a company called Inotex, and you know अभी के language में बोलेंगे तो fintech की दुनिया.
Okay. अच्छा.
And उस समय ये था कि मतलब the way it was positioned is कि hey, like it's in the like Wall Street company with Wall Street wallet and Silicon Valley sizzle. That was their tagline.
Okay.
So anyway, so I think हो गया उस company में. तो and again like a lot of people का होता है कि okay, I want to do a job in the US या I want to do a job यहाँ पे वहाँ पे. तो अपना like मेरा कुछ खास like I didn't really have a particular motivation कि US जाना है या ऐसा जॉब करना है वैसा जॉब. उस समय अगेन लाइक फ्रैंकली लोगों को लगता है कि मुझे बहुत पता है बट कुछ नहीं पता होता है. इवन आफ्टर आई एम लाइक यू गेट अ हेजी पिक्चर कि अच्छा ये होता है, बट आई मीन नोइंग नाउ लाइक लुकिंग बैक एट माई सेल्फ, आई डोंट थिंक आई हैड एनी क्लू. इवन इफ आई मेड एन इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजन कि मुझे ये करना है, आई वुड नॉट हैव नोन कि ये करना पड़ेगा. तो वही हो गया. एंड देन लाइक दैट कंपनी हैपेंड टू बी फ्रॉम द यूएस. तो घर पे मैंने वही फोन करके बताया कि हो गया है. तो वही मम्मी ने बोला कहाँ, अच्छा यूएस में जाना पड़ेगा. मैंने कहा हाँ 2-3 साल के लिए देख लेते हैं. एंड फिर तो लाइक ऑप्शन है ही वापस आ जाने का, तो कर लिया. फिर आ गए और वो 2-3 साल अब 23 years हो गया.
23 years. Okay. And then finally one more great institute, this time a global one, Wharton. मतलब मन नहीं भरा IIT से, IIM से, मतलब अब क्या पढ़ी थी?
नहीं, so this was not actually a degree course. Okay. Unlike the IIMs and the IITs. Yeah, this one was basically company में they shortlist या pick a few people who they see some potential and say, okay, these people will be sent for an executive training या executive course. तो उसमें the company had arranged for basically Wharton में होता है ये program. And it's for 3 years. Like हर साल there is duration when you are there in Wharton in Pennsylvania. And then like after 3 years they basically give you the degree होता नहीं है, but they give you the certification कि हाँ कर लिया. So that was basically the Wharton thing.
So this was probably, I mean, people from different countries coming together.
Absolutely. These were people from different companies. मतलब there are other companies also who pick their potential. Their people, and they all come together. So matlab this is from like different companies, different countries, different ethnicities, different like races, different like everything different. Yes.
And how I'm looking at it is that okay, first you move to an IIT where people from different cities are there. Then you move to an IIM where again people from various backgrounds. Then you move to US again, meeting more people from again very international backgrounds. Going to Wharton. All right, lovely.
And you're forgetting usse pehle Oak Grove, where people are coming from everywhere else,
all over the country.
So yes, I mean, if you look back and the pattern that way, again, been very lucky ki always been with people jahan pe alag-alag jagah se aate hain, alag-alag perspective, alag-alag dhang, and actually that maybe in a certain way teaches you ki how you coexist or live with other people, how you make friends with other people, and work, collaborate, and everything. That's actually true.
How often do you come to India?
So up until now, I used to come. Like initially, I used to go there almost like twice a year. Fir once a year ho gaya. And then COVID ke time pe to fir nahi hua. I think 1 year 2 saal. And then in 2022, my father passed away. So I brought my mother with me here in the US. And abhi, like I was in India actually in November, December this year. तो हाँ, मतलब जाना आना तो रहता ही है, but usually once a year रहता है. Going forward, I don't know, like when my mother is here and everything is here, तो शायद frequency थोड़ा कम हो जाए.
और कम हो जाएगा.
But हाँ, मतलब usually like I try to go there once a year.
Okay. India has changed.
A lot. मतलब जब वही मतलब even on this trip मैं काफी लोगों से बात कर रहा था कि मेरा जो मेंटल मॉडल ऑफ इंडिया है, लाइक अभी भी मुझे लगता है कि 50 रुपए बहुत ज्यादा रुपए हैं. तो वो काफी चेंज हो गया ऑब्वियसली. एंड देन काफी चीजें बाहर से भी जब देखते हो तो अच्छा लगता है कि लाइक आई थिंक यू एंड आई वर टॉकिंग यस्टरडे कि अभी इतने सारे IITs हो गए हैं या IIMs हो गए हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी एवेन्यूज अभी, जैसे things like communication, marketing, ये वो मतलब
now if you want to work, you will get work. If you are willing to put in the effort, you will find something.
Not just work, you excel, and there are people who are starting up companies, and there are people who are doing things which have never been done in the world before. Like in many ways, there are pockets where India is much ahead than the rest of the world. So obviously, हाँ, काफी change हो गया.
Oh, great! And this can go on. this conversation can go on. So abhi I think lunch time हो गया. You need to cook. Is it again?
Yeah, I need to cook. My wife is in India, and I need to cook something.
I was hurrying for this podcast, and my wife said कि ऐसा है ना कि खाना बन चुका है, खाना खा के बैठना है. So I somehow मतलब ओजी ने तो सिखा दिया ना 5 मिनट में कैसे खाना खाना है.
हाँ, वो एकदम खाना खाओ, पहले प्रेयर बोलो, बैठो, खाना खाओ, and then खत्म हुआ या ना हुआ, stand up leave.
That was good. Arya, thank you very much for finding time for this talk. And again, I find myself very, very lucky that people are kind to spend some time and speak about their journey. And hopefully next time when you are in India, please let me know. Maybe I find a way to bump into you.
Sure, absolutely, yeah. करते हैं. Yeah, like I noticed you, started putting some videos here and there. I mean, obviously, I haven't seen everything, but the ones that I've seen, I've been very impressed. Matlab, you put a lot of thought and effort, and it's not easy. It's not as easy as it looks. There's a lot of hard work.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes you don't want to do it, you don't feel like, but ठीक है. So I'll let you go to your kitchen.
All right.
I'll catch a movie. There's a movie, 12th Fail.
12th Fail.
Yes, okay. If you get a chance, watch it. It released this year only. and it is about an IPS officer who actually failed in class 12th.
Acha.
Based on
real. No, that's nice. I mean, these days, I like sometimes I watch these things which are actually, I find them excellent. So I don't know if I mentioned it to you yesterday. There's some series called Aspirants. I saw that recently.
Yes. Fabulous.
Awesome.
Awesome.
So yeah, I mean, there are things or content like that I love these days.
All right. Thank you again, and hope to meet you in person someday.
Okay, absolutely.
So good night from India, and
good night to you.
Have a nice lunch.
Thank you. You too.
Bye-bye.